All right, we're going to show a feature of the GX385A controller that many people don't know about, and that is we can actually lock in our three settings that, or any recipes that we have, so that nobody can change it. And in order to do that, you're going to hold down 1, 2, and 3 simultaneously. Hold it down until you see PAS come up and the 4 zeros. Now, to set this so that nobody can change it, you come down here. You move that to 7, you move this one to 1, and that one to 2. So that's now the passcode. Now go ahead and hold 3 buttons down again. And now you're locked in. You see the period after the 1, that says that that's password protected now. You cannot change the kV or the microamps or any of the other settings. So recipe 2, let's see recipe 2. And that's all locked in also. So your recipes are locked in so your painter can't make any changes. So that's a nice feature that a lot of people don't know about. If you want to take that feature away, again, you hold all 3 buttons down. You see pass. And now you put the passcode in there and you hold them down again. And you notice the period goes away and you can change. It's a nice feature that many people don't know about.